Today's project, I have Overfenders coming tomorrow, so I'm going to take all these flares off, get those ready for some cutting. What happened was the guy crashed it, hence the door, skirt, fender, hood, front bumper, rear quarters kind of mangled. I know the black hides it well. It's mangled here, up here. So we're going to take this off and see what happened. I haven't done that yet, so it should be kind of fun. Alrighty, we're on the way to go pick up the Z, take it for its maiden voyage out. Gonna be pretty nerve-wracking because I don't have a plate and it's definitely rush hour, but I also don't really care. I'm really hoping not to get caught because I'm already gonna lose my license. Normally doing dumb stuff, I don't feel that bad. I kind of have a bad feeling about this. Shaking because I definitely got to go through the city, and it's maiden voyage as well. Hopefully all goes well. Boy, I'm definitely nervous, very nervous. Here we go. Ooh, that welded diff, son. Woo, it's hot. What if the AC works in this thing? It's like 90 out. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna focus and drive and get there. I'll see you guys in a minute. We made it, baby! I knew she wouldn't let me down. I didn't doubt it at all, baby. Let's go. So I just went and bought this angle grinder from Harbor Freight. I guess I don't know which way it goes. Probably make more sense that way. Is to follow just a hair above this body line right here, all the way down pretty much. Rip it and find out, huh? You know, it's funny because I've done this not on my car, but my buddy's car. He has a 350Z and we did it like 4 years ago, and I don't really remember the process that much. Man, I should have wore a long sleeve. That's hitting me good. And I also should have masked it off. But then again, I don't have tape and I'm in a hurry. So take your time when you do things, but we're gonna get it. It's gonna be kind of cool. So I guess you kind of go, I don't know where to go as far as how close to the skirt here. So, you guys want to leave? Right on the money. I bought it. Almost there. You know what's also stupid? Is I forgot my skateboard. That sucks. I also got some headphones too, so that'd be great. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna have to do so much audio correction in the video. So I'm gonna be screaming at you guys all the time. now that you guys could see, this is why I got Overfenders. And those flares the guy had on here had to go. Got a new door too. Next I need a quick release because this bucket sucks with the stock steering wheel. Alright, it's the next day, we're back. It's 10 a.m. Still getting warm. Got the detailing van here in the car. Pretty empty lot, so it's kind of early, but I'm going to start cutting away. 10 a.m. I guess, not terrible. But all I got to do is, if you remember in the shop, I got to take this wheel off so I can get the angle grinder deeper up in there to bang those up. Then have my buddy weld it up. Over's around in a couple days, hopefully. So let's get to it. We're on the electric skateboard, picking up the Z. Now we're going to get the overs welded finally. So yeah, come through.
Their goal is to get to what Alan calls a farmer welder, which is essentially what all of us could be if we had to. I ain't pretty good at I didn't even move. That's all you're doing. You see how I made a ball?
Yep.
Like, I wasn't even moving. I just sat there and just did it for a minute, let off.
Yank the, yeah.
Did it for a little bit and let off. It's because if it's still touching, regardless, as long as you commit and just pull the trigger all the way, it's just gonna weld straight through anyways. So just don't even move and just like stay in one spot and just pull it up. Just weld random shit together and you just kind of get used to what you're looking for, because all you're doing is looking for that pool and then you're just dragging that pool on. That's why a lot of people say you do the swirl. It's because you're only doing the swirl, putting molten metal in, and then you're just continuing it. You're just literally just continuing it out. So.
It's been like a 3-month process, probably 20 minutes for you guys, but today is hopefully the day. I got out of work early and I got some spare time, so we're gonna figure out how to use a rivet gun. Got this off Amazon, this kit. Looks pretty sick. No clue what I'm doing, but we'll figure that out later. I know I got M6 rivets, so I'm assuming it's just this M6 adapter here.
What are you doing here, buddy?
Yeah, got the Overfenders. Had Cody and Alan's help, luckily, mocking them up, getting the fitment right. Right now we're just drilling some holes. Gonna put the rivets in, and she's gonna be ready to slide. Hopefully not into a tree this time.
That rivet fit yet?
Ooh,
perfect. Here, send it in. Send it in for the camera.
I don't know how to use this.
Open it. Spread them.
This?
Yeah, nope. Or yeah, spin that to get it tightened down to the thing, or you can just take it out, throw it in by hand. Once it's snug, good. It's just spinning, you're good. Just push real hard against the car and squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Should be good. There
Try
it
not
goes.
to dent it. Definitely did. Then what?
I got unscrew it.
Now unscrew it.
You had to screw it in, unscrew it.
The shots were so good. There it goes.
Wow, you even dented it. Unless that was from you drilling it.
That was from me pushing
Yeah,
it.
it's from the drill. Or from this.
Yeah, it was definitely from that.
I don't know how this is gonna bite. Being through 2 layers.
A bit. Sick.
It's pretty tight.
Yeah, that's what she said.
She was lying.
I only have 5 minutes left to finish this whole video with the SD card. So I'm mocking it up now. I drilled one here where I think I like it. And then I'm going to hit the opposite corner so it holds it straight. And then I'll take it off and do everything else right. So we'll take our screw here. Alright, so that's where she's sitting, so now we have something holding it. The only problem fitment was it's right here. But I think I got the second one mounted. We'll get that one in. And then those two will hold the whole thing up while I can drill the remaining holes and get proper measurements.
For sure. It'll just find its cross threads next time. It'll be alright.
Just giving the threads a new home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just relocating them, that's all.
Redesign.
Yeah.
Cut. Nobody seen nothing.
Put it in the hole.
Dude, try. Yeah, you should have felt the rivets after being on the hood. I went to pick up a handful. I was like, they're hot. Felt like lava. All right, once it gets paint, it won't look like an accident.
I
Z
called
anymore.
one hell of a number in my pocket.
It'll look less like an accident, Z.
True.
Once
Look
you
at this
get
number I
this
just called.
taken care of,
I wonder if they answered.
that. Once you get all that taken care of, there's
Yeah.
a hole there.
I know. It makes me so mad something to
Look at this number I just called in my pocket.
Jeez.
What are you outroing?
I don't know.
Overfender build, son. She's finally not salvage title. Well, I guess. Well, never mind. Never mind. But she doesn't look like she's ruined.
He said he's finally not salvage title.
Dude, there's Bondo everywhere. I think it's made more up of Bondo than the actual car.
It's just gonna find a tree.
You know what? Seriously, it took me like a month to realize they're different headlights.
Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit. One's
This
got a
is-
flat case.
This has got the nice headlights.
Yeah.
You don't want to do smoked lemon. Lemons. You don't want to do smoked
Right, just housing.
lenses. You want to do the blacked out housings.
That's
I
right.
like the
You
black
smoke the lenses and then they aren't as bright.